Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Behind us right now we've got a, you guessed it, available for immediate delivery Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Come on board and let me show you what this bad boy's all about. Getting real classic whaler vibes here. We've got the white hull sides, the boot stripe right there, and of course my favorite, I don't know why everybody doesn't do this, the chrome graphics right there. It actually pops out a little bit. Of course the 350 is going to have that dive door here on the port side. Back here looks really sharp. We got triple black 300 V8 Mercury Verados. We've seen a lot of white engines around personally. I love the look of a classic black engine. I think it makes it look like the Batmobile or something. So I haven't nicknamed a boat in a while. We're going to nickname this one the Batmobile. So that's that. So we've got two index fish boxes, a fold-out seat there on the transom, another fold-out seat there on the starboard side. So our port side, we have our dive door that we showed you before. Live well there on the port transom, and then right here, instead of the summer kitchen, we've got a secondary well, which is absolutely massive. Nice little prep area right there. Follow me up to the helm. We've got our triple seats right here. This one already came spec'd out, ready to rock and roll with dual Raymarine and 16-inch screens. Of course, joystick piloting right there. Follow me up over here. A lot of people ask, hey, why do we have these ladder rungs right there? Well, there is access to the top of the hardtop for your cannonballs, obviously. While the 350 does not have a berth down below like the 380, it does have a rather large header storage area, depending on what you're going to use it for. Up here we're working with our full canvas package right here. Of course it can all come off. We've got our King's Throne right there, which doubles as a nice big storage area down below. Up here, plenty of bow space, fish, hang out, whatever it might be. Of course our windlass anchor winch up front as well. So I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Boston Whaler 350 Outrage available. Don't hear that much nowadays. Skip the waiting line, get one today, come on down, now's your shot. See you guys.